Hey everybody, today I want to share with you how I am going to be making, well attempting anyway, to make a hair attached beanie. I saw them around locally, a few of them in the beauty supply stores, but they all have the ball, the little furry ball on top of the beanie, and I don't want it like that. And I got this color, I got this beanie from Family Dollar. It's a heat sense beanie. Deep cushioning, ultra thick fabric, cozy lining from Thermal. It has some insulating inside, so I'm hoping, I'm wondering, do I have to stretch it first to put it on there? But anyway, I bought some hair, kinky perm. Kind of remind me of what my relaxed hair used to look like. It was straight, but still kind of, had like some kink in it, and I'll be using some liquid stitch and holding it together with these clips. Hopefully they'll open up wide enough. That's about a ½ inch opening. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm opening up the weave. Feel it. It's not 100%. Oh, it feels good. It's not 100% human hair, but it did say the most advanced fiber. I like the way it's all neatly packaged. Definitely don't want to cut it. And I don't want the video to be too long. My thing is, I'm trying to figure out, should I stretch this cap a little bit? Let me see where I want it at. I think I want it on the sides. I don't know if I should try to stretch the cap on something and put it on so that when it's glued, when I put it on my head, it'll be stretched out. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me find something to stretch it on. Okay, guys, I'm going to use my pot, my Tefal pot. I'm going to put it on like this. And I need to stick it on something taller. One moment. Let me work this out. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have it sitting on top of a blender box. I unwrapped or unrolled one of the weave tracks, and I'm just gonna like go from around one side all the way to the back to the other side, and I think I'm just gonna glue a few tracks on, and I'll come back and show y'all what it looked like. But I'm gonna try to show you how I'm gonna glue this. Let me see what I'm gonna do. Ooh, I hope this will work out right. One moment, let me measure a piece off. I sure hope I don't mess up. I'm just gonna just draw me a line with my glue. Can you see this? I'll show you when I'm finished, and then I'm just gonna stick that. Where is it? Stick the weave on. I'm going all the way around. Well, halfway around to the other side. So I'll be back when I do that in a moment. Okay, this is what it looked like with the glue on. It's not in the front part, but it's like the sides. I might need to add a little bit more all the way around. But I'm thinking, I don't know why I got it on this pot. I stretch it out because I got to put those clips on there. So let me figure that out. See how that's going to work out. Make sure I put this track on the right side. Or maybe I should just go and get a hair dryer like they do the regular weave and let it dry. But I sure need this to stick on here, because if it do stick on this, I'm gonna hold it for a moment and I'll be back. So actually what I ended up doing, I had to put a piece of tape on it, but it is holding it together. I know it looks weird now, but once it dry, and then you'll be flipped on the inside. And when it dry, you won't see it white. It will dry clear. So I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to put another layer on. Or maybe I'll go ahead and layer a few on, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so far I have 2 rolls of track on and 2 pieces of tape. See if you can see that. And I'm going to go ahead on and put the other 2 on and let it dry, and then I'm going to come back and like stand it up and show it to you, and we're going to try it on and see what it looked like. So this is what it looks like drying. It's on the pot. I hope that is enough hair. I put a little extra 2 little pieces in the back so it'll be thick in the back. And I am going to let it completely dry, then take the tape off, and then I'm going to try it on for you guys so you can see what it looked like. Oops, guys, guess what? I think I did this wrong. But I'm going to go ahead and follow through and see if I can make it work anyway. Because I got this tracks turned away like this thing is like I'm going to wear it on this black side on the outside and the maroon side inside. Actually, when I flip that thing over, I don't look how them tracks going to be. I don't know how that's going to work out. But I'm going to definitely find out. I hope I can pull it off, and then maybe next time I'll do it correct. So it's fairly dry. I took it off of the pot, and now I'm going to put it on my little wig head and let it continue to dry. And then I'm going to try it on. Let's see, get an idea what it's going to look like. Of course, it's going to be on the maroon side. I thought that it wasn't going to work because when I turned it upside down, it was like flipping. But my son, he said, I hope he's right, he said when I turn it inside out or whatever on the right side that it's going to actually fall right. So this is an idea what it looks like. I think it's going to be cute. So the next time you see me, I'll have it on. Just wanted you all to see what it looked like dry. It's just laying on a table flat so that it can, well, it's dry. You don't see any of the white. And I am about to turn it over to see how it works out. So let's turn it over, guys. And then let's try it on. So I'm flipping it on the proper side. And guess what? My son was right. It worked out, guys. Look. Oh my God. Look how it's falling. The weave turned out right. I wanted you to get it. I wanted you to see the inside. Let's see. Look at that. The inside. Oh, it turned out right, y'all. Can't wait to try it on. So I promise you, the next picture you'll see will be me with it on. Guys, I really hope that you can see me. I'm trying to be in front of the camera. I hope that you can see me. But anyway, I have on my hair cap here, and I'm about to put the other cap on. Oh, I hope that I'm in front of the camera. Just put it on like a regular beanie. And look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't like the hoodie on the back of my shirt, but I do like the beanie. Turned out really well. Try to tuck that hoodie in so you can get the full effect. But anyway, this is what I really like this, because I was trying to find one in the store and it had the ball on it with the fur, and that just wasn't working for me. But guys, it turned out great. I was trying to figure out what I need to comb my hair with. Now this hair is not human, but it feels so good. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it real good on this black shirt. But what do you think about this? This is something that you could do for yourself. It was less than $20. The hair was only $9.99 plus tax. The beanie was $5. And I think the glue, I've had it for a while, it was about $5. But you have to use fabric glue, like liquid stitch. You cannot use the bonding glue for the weave, because you're not putting it on your hair, you're putting it on fabric. And that fabric glue is a permanent bond. I really, really love the way this turned out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you do this yourself, please leave comments and let us know how it worked out for you. This hair feels so amazing. This is going to really look nice with one of the burgundy outfits that I have. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and happy holidays to you. I just wanted to show you quickly a better view with a different shirt on so that you can really get the full effect of it. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm holding the camera in my hand, so I can't really show you the back, but you definitely get the idea. But it turned out good, and that glue is the absolute bomb. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful holiday season. Happy New Year, and God bless you all.